about human influence. Understood? So the first factor लिखेंगे इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, ह्यूमन इन्फ्लुएंस में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, कॉमा डिफॉरेस्टेशन, increase in population, causes release of more carbon dioxide into the Earth's atmosphere. Along with methane, ozone and nitrogen oxides. Which help in which are greenhouse gases, and help in increasing the temperature of the globe. Clear? That is known as global warming. That is known as next, इसी में लिखते चलेंगे next point. Through release of chlorofluorocarbon CFC, through release of chlorofluorocarbon and some agricultural practices, ozone depletion is taking place. And ozone depletion causes what? Ozone hole, and through the ozone hole, I said that which are UVA, UVB, UVC, all the rays are coming and causing carcinogenic diseases, but they are at the same time hitting. Understood? Again helping changing the climate. Another I said aerosol, AERO, aerosol released from industries, plants, seawater, causing global dimming, decrease in the temperature of the earth. अर्थ सरफेस है और यहाँ पे एरोसोल, इट इज इन अ डस्ट पार्टिकल, वाटर पार्टिकल्स आर देयर कोलॉइडल फॉर्म में, एंड देन दैट रिड्यूसेस sun hitting reduces, I said that. And then sulfur particles, sulfate, aerosols are also large number. And then the one point we are also discussing how to reduce the global warming. So we have to increase lots of what I said, that aerosols into the atmosphere, so the sun rays can come comparatively less. So one point that it is also in the thought of the scientist, that how to what is going to decrease the global warming. So there is I said aerosol. Understood? They are causing global dimming, not global warming, but it is causing what? So we have seen that human factor, another we have seen ozone, another we have seen able to see, I said that role of aerosol in the global dimming. So human influence, I said that. Next one I said that plate tectonic. Which one I said that? plate tectonic. If I said that plate tectonic causes change in the what movement of landmass here and there, so changes the distribution of landmass and water body. And suppose this landmass, this North America is like this, yes. So this warm water from the sea यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाएगा, तो this will be warm and it cannot go this side. So this region will become more warm and this become warm and यहाँ से थोड़ा सा colder. So ये और this one, this region से क्या हो जाएगा, ocean circulation. Due to this, plate tectonic can cause change in the ocean circulation. And then जबकि इसको कम गर्म होना चाहिए, it become very high. So it will become low pressure, another it is in a high pressure, then the what is an atmospheric circulation get change. High pressure and so what I said that this plate tectonic, what it will do? Change in the distribution of land mass and water body, and this will lead to what? Change in ocean circulation. Or land heating will also get changed. Land be differentially heating, yes or not? And then what it will lead to? Change in ocean circulation and change in atmospheric circulation. Understood? Hadley cell, Farrell cell, polar cell, they will get affected, and that will lead to minute change can causes what? Change in the what? Climate. 0.5 degree, how it creates havoc. If such kind of system will create, and there will be a great change in the what is an atmosphere. So plate tectonic आप लोग जानते होंगे due to the plate movements, yes. Another that we have to see, like I said, that solar output, which one I said that, and solar output means what? Sunspot. Solar output means sunspot. After 11 years, generally earth globe, suppose this is in a sun, or sun में भी क्या होता है, there is an, I said that gases are there, in which I said that hydrogen, what is happening, fusion is happening, क्या होता है, yes, fusion reaction, nuclear fusion. And in this one I said that when heating more nuclear fusion, the heating causes what? Warm gases to come up under the pull of gravity, against the pull of, and when it is in a coming up, and after that when the reaction stops, they become heavy enough and started going downward. So on the, I said that जैसे हमारे यहाँ convectional current of magma होता है, the same way there is this thing happen, and जहाँ पे ये जाने लग जाता है, that is a formation of one positive and negative pole, positive and negative pole. So और यहाँ पे black spot, it becomes what? So there is a formation of, after 11 years generally, formation of sunspot in pairs. कैसे बनता है? Formation of sunspot in pairs. तो यहाँ पे भी एक और यहाँ पर भी. Formation of sunspot in pairs. And this sunspot means black. Generally हमारी ये thought होती है कि the sunspot does not means यहाँ से heating. Generally I said that heating of this photosphere. इस sun का ये क्या है? Photosphere. और यहाँ पे that is in a 6000 degrees Celsius temperature. But due to this sunspot, what happened? यहाँ पर that act as a magnetic poles, or there is a coming of what I said that magnetic lines of force. Formation of sunspot in pairs, especially in form of magnetic pairs, and these magnetic pairs causes was formation of magnetic lines of force. यहाँ पे magnetic lines started what is na originating from one region and then it is na finishing at the another. Understood? यहाँ से जो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है that energy in minutes, I said that in minutes what happened? In minutes there is a billion megatons of TNT जो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, एनर्जी जो मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स से जो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है दैट इज आई सेड दैट बिलियन मेगा टन्स ऑफ टीएनटी. अंडरस्टूड? बहुत सारा एनर्जी. और इससे यहां पर सन स्पॉट पे दैट इज आई सेड दैट यहां से सोलार फ्लेयर्स यहां पे क्या होता है देयर इज एन टेम्परेचर बिकम्स मिलियन डिग्री सेल्सियस, मिलियन डिग्री सेल्सियस. So at the sun spot it is not 6000 degrees Celsius, temperature become what? Million degrees Celsius. Understood? Causes clear? So therefore, shall I remove this? Therefore it has been said by our scientist that I said that ice age on the earth's surface is also due to large decrease in sun spot. तो जब सन स्पॉट